Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing nail show Christmas edition, which is part of my Vlogmas series that I do on my channel currently. Since I've been using this nail polish a lot in my tutorials, I thought it's only natural for me to do paint nails with me. But first I'm applying a base coat. That is something that is crucial and it helps protect your nails from staining, but I think that you guys know that by now. But yes, I always do this step. That I'm taking this amazing red nail polish by Essence Cosmetics, and I will have it all written in the description box, like the names and everything, so you can read it for yourself. And I just wanted to talk with you guys. I'm so happy that you're loving my Vlogmas, and I got so many sweet messages from you guys, and also I got so many get well wishes, and thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I'm feeling much better, and please know that your comments are always so appreciated. There is not one comment that I don't appreciate. I try my best to answer to every single one of you, and if I miss any comment, it's not by purpose. It's maybe I didn't see it, but I do try my best. You guys know that I answer every single comment, and I'm actually so happy that we are creating our community here and we are actually talking with each other, and we're having this awesome group of people who love similar stuff, and I am so glad. I also wanted to talk a little bit about Christmas and New Year's Eve, because this year is almost over and I cannot believe it. I think that everything in life is trying to teach us something, and I know that all of us have been through things, and I just want you to know that life is good at the end of the day, and it's meant for us to do great things, and that we can do anything that we want if we put our minds into it, if we love ourselves, and if we want to build our dream job or dream life. You know, what amazing thought is that we can live our best dream life, and I want for all of us to live our best life. I really hope we do. But this video is coming to an end, and I'm thankful that you guys are here with me and we painted our nails together and chat. But I will see you tomorrow with a brand new video, and you can check out my previous videos if you want some inspiration when it comes to Christmas, New Year's Eve, nail art, or you can even paint your nails red, just plain red. I love red nail polishes for holiday season. But until tomorrow, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!